Shader Sundays!
Hello and welcome back to Shader Sundays. Everybody has seen the PewDiePie lines, and naturally it is time to recreate them. But just in case you haven't seen them, there they are. There are two approaches one can take when recreating those lines. One of them is stacking sine waves on top of one another the same way Dicklet has done on Shader Toy. However, there is another, and it can be achieved by using domain warping. But what is domain warping, I hear you ask? Well, that is a technique used to distort textures by changing their UVs. Or in other words, make something absolutely beautiful and ordered into something that makes absolutely no fucking sense. First step, create a sine wave texture. Next, domain warp it. And finally comes the color ramp, or in this case, just a simple smooth step used as a factor in a mix between two colors. What is that? What is that? It is done! Now let's assume you're a fucking hardcore Blender user. Chances are you like fast-paced tutorials. Okay, let's begin then. Done! Thank you for watching today's relatively short video, and I hope you learned something. It will actually mean a lot to me if you subscribe. Also, bye.